use a picture AI where you upload a picture and the AI is able to do analysis on the picture and tell you what is in the picture. So this I'm leveraging Google Gemini API to do the analysis on the pictures, and their requirement is to send a picture in a human message, like a list of a dictionary stating what is in the text. So let's say here is the Gemini application, right? So here we need to state the type that's going to be the text, and the text is going to be what is, so a detail of what the message you send will be here, and the link of the picture. So it takes a link to a picture. So it's either you use a website, an image on a website, or a location, a file location URL on your laptop. So because the picture is being sent from maybe different places, we need to save it to create a link. That's where we do to communicate to this Flag server. So this Flag server here takes the picture, then save the picture to the local hard drive, then return the path link to the user. But the user won't be able to see because it will be embedded in the application while the user has no access to it. But the moment it's done, the user will be able to enter a query about what he wants from the AI, because the AI accepts the picture and description of what you want the AI to do with the picture. So let's say we'll try to browse for a picture, then maybe a baby picture. It needs to communicate to the Flag server, right? But the Flag server is not up. I've not started the Flag server yet. It's not up. So if I upload, it's gonna catch an error. So there's error. So now let's start our Flag server. So now we start our Flag server, then we refresh the page, then we browse. Let's go browse for the picture, the same picture again. Then here is the picture. You see there is no text here because there was no activity that was authenticating on this Flag server. When there is an authentication of status code of 200, then you will see where to type. So let's see if the Flag server is up. So the Flag server is taking a long to get up. Okay, it's up now. So let's start. Okay, so now let's upload. You see that here, you see the connection there. Now you see we have a place to type. So tell me what you see. You see the terminal is running the code, sending the picture to Gemini API, Google Gemini, and then returning the text of the description of the picture. Yeah. So whatever picture you take, it will be able to do analysis because we will be leveraging Gemini API module to do this stuff. So if you take this picture of my brother and his wife, successful, then how many people are in this picture? Should be able to tell me there are 3 people because there's in the chart. That's the correct thing. And here is whatever picture we're doing is being saved to my local drive. So you can see the pictures are being saved here. So while saved here, it returns the copy of this part back to the user. So whenever the user types something, it will be able to go for the same that picture and know that this is the picture because it's creating unique random numbers for every picture. Okay, thank you so much.